Literally today is an AI content creation service. Here are the steps to create that exact business. Step 1, select an AI platform that you're going to use to provide these services. The go-to would of course be ChatGPT. Step 2, pick your services that you're going to offer and create a pricing structure. These services could vary from blog posts, social media content, or ad copy. Step 3, create a website and content to market your services to attract clients. I would start off with looking at clients within your area, see what they're looking for, and go from there. Step 4 is reaching out to clients. Now this seems like the scary part, but it doesn't have to be. You can use ChatGPT to write you a script as to what you go through when you're on a call with a potential client. You then reach out to clients through social media, maybe phone book if it's old school, or networking events, and then you read through your script. It's as simple as that. The advantages include the fact that there's high demand for quality content in a variety of different industries. The second advantage is that AI chatbots like ChatGPT can generate content very quickly and very efficiently. The other advantage is that ChatGPT is free to use if you stick with the basic version, which is a lot more cost effective than hiring a bunch of writers. The disadvantages include the quality. Depending on your prompts, the quality of the written content might not be too good. And the other disadvantage is the dependence on that chatbot. If, for example, ChatGPT kicked you out of access tomorrow, then you'd be in a bit of a sticky situation. But there you have it.